So I had Invisalign treatment with Gina at the Bishopsgate dental practice. This is the after result. I'm really happy with it. We've been very careful to make sure that everybody is happy with the results. So I started with a smile that wasn't too bad, but I was self-conscious of having my photo taken, and so we've tried to get a very natural result, which I think that we've achieved. Gina's taken utmost care not to do too much or too little, but we have had about 18 months worth of treatment, I think, now, and we're finished, and I'm really happy with the result. I feel that I can smile. People keep commenting on how well I look, and I think a lot of that is down to my new teeth. In terms of the practice, etc., I've been really pleased with everybody that I've met here. Everybody has taken a personal interest in me and giving me a very professional level of care from start to finish, and made sure that I've been following the treatment properly. So yeah, I've been really happy.